the finals match going. And the autonomous period starts. 285Z quick to score that ball again. 2585B trying to score that blue ball in their tower, but it looks like their intake is not feeding that ball. 285Z goes into that corner to try and score a red ball, and it looks like they did it successfully. Meanwhile, 24626H sits in the middle of the field with a red ball in their intake. Let's see what the final score for that autonomous period is, folks. It would seem as if it wasn't that high scoring, but we all know that one autonomous bonus can make the difference in a match, as we saw by the previous one where it came to a tie. And it looks like with the autonomous bonus going to the red team, we're starting driver control. Quickly, 7110E trying to shoot 3 red balls into that corner tower, and they drop a red ball by accident. The ref feeds another red ball in. 285Z going to that corner, trying to intake that blue ball and get it out of that tower. Meanwhile, 285Z intakes a red ball and goes to shoot it back into that corner. If we look at 24626H, they're trying to intake that red ball, and they did, and they shot a blue ball in its place. 285Z just counteracts what they just did. Meanwhile, 7110E over here de-scoring a blue ball and scoring a red ball in its place. 2585B seems to be having some intake problems. Let's see how that plays out for them. It might prove difficult. And it looks like they still scored the ball. 7110E, with the red ball in their intake, goes over to score the red ball. 285Z scores a red ball in the corner, de-scoring a blue ball. Meanwhile, 24626H goes over to score a blue ball and reclaim their towers. And it looks like on the red alliance side, 24626H tries to shoot a ball and just misses. With 39 seconds left in the match, we have 285Z going back over to the other side, trying to find a red ball to store. Folks, it looks like we have a four tall tower in the corner over here. It looks like it's right now in favor of the red team, so the red team doesn't need to touch it. 24626H trying to intake that ball that's stuck in that tower. Meanwhile, 18 seconds left on the match. Red has 2 balls in the middle. 2585B trying to de-score as many red balls as possible, and they de-scored 2 in that tower. That means 285Z has to go back and score their ball that they're holding right now. With 5 seconds left in the match, let's see how this intense match comes to an end. 24626H tries to intake a ball, but unfortunately is too late into the match.